The remarkable story of Scott Lamp Company began with founder John Scott's passion for collecting and restoring railroad memorabilia. This hobby quickly evolved into crafting beautiful antique lighting reproductions, starting with Victorian and kerosene styles. What began as a personal pursuit in the garage swiftly became a true family business built on a shared, hands-on approach that forms the unwavering foundation for everything we do today. Today, Scott Lamp Company operates from a state-of-the-art 90,000 square foot facility right here in Fairfield, California. This expansive modern space is the vibrant heart of our operations, where cutting-edge innovation seamlessly meets precision manufacturing. From the moment raw materials enter our doors to the final product leaving, every step is meticulously managed within these walls, embodying our commitment to excellence. Our specialized expertise lies in crafting exquisite decorative lighting and mirrors designed to transform spaces. Whether it's the grandeur of a custom chandelier, the subtle elegance of a sconce, the functional beauty of a table lamp, or the sleek sophistication of an illuminated vanity mirror, we specialize in creating pieces that not only illuminate, but also significantly elevate the aesthetics and ambience of any interior design project. Scott Lamp Company's strength comes from a powerful, unique combination. It's the unparalleled artistry and attention to detail from our US-based craftsman employees, coupled with our strong, long-standing relationships with quality global manufacturers. This strategic synergy allows us to maintain exceptional standards while delivering diverse, high-volume projects efficiently, ensuring no compromise on excellence regardless of origin. This commitment to excellence is our gold standard. The journey begins right here in Fairfield, where our dedicated team of drafters and engineers meticulously develop specifications for every product and employ capabilities like 3D printing for rapid prototyping. Once manufactured, every single item undergoes a rigorous multi-stage quality control process. We meticulously inspect every detail, from material integrity to final finish, ensuring each piece is absolutely perfect. Our commitment to our clients extends beyond just quality and excellence. To enhance efficiency and responsiveness, we also maintain a second warehouse in Fairfield dedicated to stocking key items for immediate availability. This strategic advantage ensures lower lead times for our clients across the US, allowing us to serve their needs with speed and reliability. Scott Lamp Company's reputation for unparalleled quality, reliability, and service has earned us the profound trust of the hospitality industry's most prestigious names. Scott Lamp Company has an established and valued relationship with Marriott, Hilton, IHG, Wyndham, Four Seasons, Drury, and Host Hotels. Furthermore, we have successfully worked on a number of high-profile Fairmont hotels in Canada, and our projects extend into the Caribbean as well. We consistently deliver the superior decorative lighting and mirrors that are essential in defining the luxurious and comfortable guest experiences these world-class brands are known for. From a cherished family hobby to a leading manufacturer, Scott Lamp Company's journey is defined by deep passion, unwavering precision, and an enduring commitment to quality. As we continue to innovate and uphold our gold standard in every creation, we remain dedicated to illuminating the very best experiences in hospitality. We've brought light and reflection to countless premier spaces, and we eagerly look forward to shaping the next generation of guest comfort and distinctive design.